G'day everyone, Turbo Tristan here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is just a real quick one. We're going to wrap up the last week and a half, 2 weeks worth of working on Ronda. The race event is tomorrow. So just a real quick video to show you what we got done. Thanks for tuning in. What you'll see straight away is we've changed some of the decals up. We've got our new wheels and tires on. We've gone with number 10. We bought this car on the 10th of November, I think it was. So that's why it's number 10. Nothing fancy about that. Inside the car, all the sound deadening is gone. I'll throw in a real quick clip of that. We took out, I think it was 7 or 8 kilos worth of sound deadening, so check that out. Okie doke, so here's a box of goodies that we pulled out of the car. This is all the sound deadening. I'm gonna stick it on the scales now and see what it weighs. So we're at 0. 7 kilos of sound deadening. Is that what you said? It's come out of the car. That's incredible. We've made up a custom plate for USB chargers. I mounted a fire extinguisher. So just down here, I've actually, we've plasti dipped the gear shifts around. We've plasti dipped all under the dash. Get rid of that tan. Eventually we're going to get rid of these. But the main thing is we've mounted in Raceworks new prototype seats. So thanks again to Raceworks for sponsoring those. We've actually got Jamie from Raceworks is now our 5th or 6th driver. Jamie has quite a lot of experience on racing at the track. Jamie actually saved the day, came to the rescue and helped us mount up our 4-point racing harnesses on the racing seat, and he brought with him some chromoly tube, some plate, and made up these really cool harness bar brackets so we can mount these seat belts there. Really strong. That's chromoly roll cage material, so a bit of strength there. Hopefully it doesn't change the way the car handles too much, but stiffer is better, so they say. The seat's in. We went with a 4-point harness, not a 6-point harness, just because it's an hour in the car. It's not super duper fast or powerful, and we'd rather this than having a bit of chafe downstairs, if you know what I mean. So racing harness is in. This is a new Raceworks racing harness. Obviously pull this down, make it nice and tight, stops you sliding around and helps you concentrate on where you're going when you're driving, and also safety. We actually went with the taller seat and the taller harnesses and the taller harness bar just because anyone can drive this car, and it's better catering to a bit extra height so you don't break your collarbone, which is what Jamie factored into everything when he built the harness bar there. We now also have a Raceworks steering wheel on there, and it's got the Sparco quick release hub, making it nice and easy to get in and out of. We went with the suede feel with the red line in the middle. Excuse the fluff, Iverson the cat was in here before. But yeah, all set up, ready to race tomorrow at Sandown. We've checked everything, checked it twice. We've got spare brakes, spare pads, spare oil, spare everything, jacks, jack stands, the whole box and dice. We've got it all in the car. Fresh injectors from Raceworks. Every sensor for the K-Series, we've got those also from Raceworks. Coil packs, everything, you name it. If something breaks and we can't fix it on the day, then it's DNF and we call it quits. We really need to chuck the car back on the scales and see what it weighs now. I also went and threw on the Raceworks tow hook there. This is our tow strap. Really cool, nice and bright. Raceworks on there. These, among all of these Raceworks parts that you've seen here, will be available on the Spool Up website, which is coming at the end of this month. We're launching it, and we're going to do free freight February. Try saying that 3 times fast. So anything that anyone orders will be free freight in February. So we're going to hit the ground running, give everyone a deal, not charge them freight. That's Australia-wide, obviously. You can't do international. However, anything's possible in the future. But this is it for now. I've got to pack up, edit this video, hopefully get it out real quick tonight, and get some rest, because tomorrow I'm doing the first stint hour in the car, first driver, and yeah, bit nervous, a lot of pressure on me. Bring it home, then hand it off to the next driver. Hopefully everyone just keeps looking after the car. We finished the 6 hours worth of enduro, and we can bring it home with a trophy. It would be nice on our first ever proper racing series. So yeah, really excited for this. Something I've always wanted to do. I've done plenty of track days, but racing against other people actually for time or points, whatever, is going to be a first for me, and there'll be traffic that I'll have to try and go past, so that'll be fun. We'll be bringing you all the action over the weekend. The video will probably be out sometime early next week if everything goes well. I've got heaps of videos lined up, heaps of reviews, heaps of new parts, heaps of giveaways actually, couple extra cars on the channel, and of course finishing the VL, fixing up the Civic, playing around with this in the future, and then onto the BMW. Heaps and heaps coming out this year. This thing, Ronda, has been the first major hurdle, and we really needed to get that done, race meeting finished, and then it's 2 months until the next one, so we've got plenty of time. That's it for now. Real quick video, nice and simple to edit, just giving you guys an update, ready for the track. If you're in Melbourne, welcome to come down to Sandown tomorrow. Bring your pom-poms, cheer us on. Hopefully Team Ronda Racing gets a trophy. That's all for now. Don't forget to spool up, bring the boost. Go Team Ronda. See you in the next one.